Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your PC run faster. Before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. To start, press Windows Home key plus AAR key. Now type temp in the pop-up space and click enter. Wait for a few seconds and to open the folder. Once opened, select all and delete them all, as these are useless files taking up space and making your PC run slow. Secondly, press Windows Home key plus AAR key. Again, and now type an input % in front and at the back, and temp in the middle as shown. Hit enter and wait for the folder to open. Now click Ctrl plus A and delete them all. These files are taking up gigabytes of space in your PC and dragging fast performance and speed. Finally, click Search Bar tab and search Disk Cleanup. Open the app. Wait for the process to complete and click OK. Now select Delete File on the pop-up menu and you are done. Now your computer will work faster. If you like similar contents, please show support by subscribe to this channel and stay up to date with the latest contents.